Hello there, I am Gilbert Mizrahi and I'm the head of growth at Twnel, and I want to show you how we can build sophisticated chatbots with this platform. So in this particular case, I'm going to show something very simple. I open a Twnel Messenger and go to a company called Herencia. And here you can see I have a few automations or chatbot flows. And in this particular video, I want to show one that is very simple, that is how to add products to a Google Sheet. And in this case, I'm gonna scan the barcode of a product, and then the bot asks me for the name of the product and the price, and that information is added to a spreadsheet. There is a more advanced one that allows to use an API, and I'll show that in the next video. So here, I start this bot, and I have an input type of barcode, and here I zoom that so I can see better, and I'm going to scan the code of this box of mac and cheese. It's a little bit hard to find the barcode in this particular one. It was in the bottom, but finally I got it. So you see it's very fast to do, and then it asks the name of the product, and it's Kraft's macaroni and cheese. And once I enter that, it will ask me for the price. For this thing, probably it's around $169, so that will be okay. And then once it gets a feedback from the Google Sheet via app scripts, you can see that it shows information that the product was added successfully to the spreadsheet. And that's it. If you want to add more products, you repeat the same process. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.